Now we will move towards the various instructions of 8085 microprocessor. So first of all we will see the classification of the instructions. So these instructions are classified. The first one is the data transfer group of instructions, where the data can be transferred from one register to another register, or from one register to another memory location, or from memory to another memory location. So these instructions from data transfer group of instructions. To perform arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction kind of operation, arithmetic group of instruction is there. To perform logical operations like ANDing, ORing, XORing, negation, logical group of instruction is available. Then to change the program sequence or execution sequence, branching group of instructions are available. And last one is the stack and machine control group of instructions, which is related to the stack and machine control related instructions. So we will see one by one the classification of the instructions and the instructions available in detail. So before to see the various instructions under this classification, we will see the notations used in these instructions. So in this table we can able to see two columns are there, notation and the meaning. So first one is the capital M. So capital M in the instruction is nothing but memory location pointed by H and L register pair, or in short we can say that HL register pair contains as a memory pointer, that is capital M. Simply R indicates 8-bit register, capital RP indicates 16-bit register pair like BC register pair, DE register pair, HL register pair. So R subscript P indicates pair. Then RS indicates source register. So S means source. RD indicates destination register. So subscript D indicates destination. Then ADDR indicates the 16-bit address, that is ADDR. Then data notation is for 8-bit data, and for data 16-bit, for 16-bit data 16-bit. So these are the notations mainly observed in the instructions of 8085. Now we will see one by one instructions under the data transfer group of instructions. As I said, the data transfer group of instruction consists the transfer of data between the registers, that is in this case example is given data from or the contents available or data available in B register get transferred to or get copied to D register. Second, specified data byte to register or a memory location, that is data byte. That is data byte to register. Then data transfer between memory location to specific register, that is data from memory to register A. Data transfer between IO device and the accumulator, for example input device, data from the input device to the accumulator, and last one between the register pair to the stack, or register pair and the stack, that is register pair content to the stack memory location. So the first instruction under this data transfer group of instructions, so here MVI R data. So here MV indicates move instruction and I indicates immediate. So here data which is available in the operand field get copied immediately in R register. So we can say that move immediate 8-bit data to register, specified register, any register, accumulator, B register, C register, D register, E register, that is general purpose registers. So this is the mnemonic for this MVI instruction, MVI R data. So algorithm is data from or immediate data get copied in specified register, and operation is data get copied in specified or user defined register. Then number of bytes required to execute this instruction are 2 bytes. 1 byte for the opcode and another 1 byte for 8-bit immediate data. Now in this case, this 8-bit immediate data is the part of the instruction. So wherever you find the capital letter I which indicates immediate copying instruction. Okay, so first byte is opcode and second byte is 8-bit immediate data. So size of the instruction is 2 byte, 1 byte for opcode and 1 byte for 8-bit immediate data. Addressing mode, definitely, as the immediate data is the part of the instruction, immediate addressing mode. Then after the execution of this particular instruction, the effects on the flag bits. So after the execution, no any flag get modified after the execution. One example, MVI C, 80X. So 80X is the hexadecimal immediate number. So after the execution of this instruction, 80X get copied in C register. So we can say that move immediate 80X in C register. Its a pictorial form is shown below. So two cases, before the execution of this MVIC 80X instruction and after the execution of the instruction. So before execution at the left hand side, so here we can able to see different general purpose registers are shown. Accumulator is paired with F, BC pair, DE pair, HL pair, SP, that is stack pointer and program counter. Now we are interested only in C register because in this instruction C register is given. So suppose before the execution in C register we are having AA hex. Okay, AA hex. Then if suppose this MEIC instruction get executed, this 80 hex get copied in C register. That is, this AA hex get overwritten with the new data, that is 80 hex. So after the execution at the right hand side we can able to see this 80 hex immediate data get copied in C register. Okay, so after the execution in C register we will get 80 hex. One note is given, note the change in the contents of C register only. No other registers are modified. Likewise, other instructions are also available: MVI A, MVI B, MVI C, MVI H, MVI L. Likewise, the immediate data copying instructions are available in the instruction set. Next instruction, same mnemonic but slight change is there. MVI M comma 8-bit data. Now, as we discussed in the notation slide, capital M indicates the HL pointed content, HL the register pointed content or memory pointed content. So MVI M is nothing but move immediate 8-bit data in the specified memory pointed by memory pointer M or pointed by memory pointer HL. So mnemonic for this MVI M comma 8-bit data algorithm is the data from the 8-bit immediate data is copied in specified memory location. So HL will help to provide the memory address. So operation is data get copied in the specified memory location or pointed by memory address, that is HL pointed content. Number of bytes required to execute this instruction. So 2 bytes are required. So first byte is always opcode and another 1 byte for 8-bit immediate data. So for this MVI M, you will find a special opcode. That opcode will tell to the processor this instruction is for the move immediate data in the memory. Addressing mode is immediate addressing mode, that is MVI indicates the move immediate, that is immediate addressing mode. Here also after this execution of the instruction, there is no any change in the flag bits. Flag bits are not modified. For example, MVI M comma 25hex. So in this case 25hex hexadecimal number immediately get copied in the memory pointed by HL. So suppose in H register we are having 42hex and in L register we are having 25hex. Don't get confused with this 25hex and this 25hex. So in L register with 25hex, so the instruction MVI M comma 25hex will store the data 25hex in memory location addressed by HL register pair, that is 4225, that is pair of the HL 4225. So at location 4225hex you will find the 25hex immediate data. Once again, the two cases before the execution and after the execution of the instruction. So before execution, suppose in H register we are having 42hex, in L register 25hex, and MVI M comma 25 immediate data, 8-bit immediate data instruction is going to execute. And suppose at the right hand side we can able to see the memory map in the memory at this location 4225, at location memory location or at address 4225 10hex is available before the execution of this MVI M comma 25hex. Okay, so after the execution the 25hex immediate data get copied in the memory pointed by HL register pair. Now in this case in H we are having 42 and in L is 25hex. So the memory address is 4225 425. So at location 4225 hex, this 25 hex get copied. So the previous location contain 10 hex, that is 10 hex, get overwritten with the new data 25 hex. So note that the change in the contents of memory location address 4225 hex. So in this way, the 8-bit immediate data 25 hex get copied in the memory pointed by HL or pointed by memory pointer M, that is the location 4225 hex. Next, simple data transfer instruction MOV RD, RS. So mnemonic is move RD, RS. So here RS is nothing but source register and RD is nothing but destination register. So RD, RS are the general purpose registers, 8-bit register, accumulator B, C, D, E, H kind of registers. So after the execution of this move instruction, source register content get copied in destination. Move instruction is the data copying instruction, that is after the execution the source register content and the destination register contents are maintained as it is, or after move instruction execution source register contents are maintained as it is. All the instructions of this or under this move instruction are 1 byte instructions. So opcode of move RD, RS. Addressing mode is definitely register addressing mode, because in the operand field you will find the general purpose registers. Then the effect on the flag bits, there is no any effect on the flag. The flag bits are not modified after the execution of this move instruction. For example, suppose the instruction move A, B. Now in this case B is the source register and A is the destination register. So suppose in accumulator or A register we are having 25x and in B register 59x, and suppose this move instruction get executed, move A, B instruction get executed. So after execution this 59x which is available in B register get copied in A register. So after execution you will find in accumulator 59x and in B register also 59x. So in this diagram we can able to see before execution in accumulator we are having 25x, in B register 59x. So after execution of this move A, B, this 59x get copied in accumulator. So after execution in accumulator you will find 59x and B register with 59x data. That is after the execution the contents of the source register are maintained as it is, that is 59x. Next move instruction which consists of the memory. So move M, R is nothing but move the specified register content to memory. Now here R is nothing but general purpose registers and M is nothing but memory pointed content, HL pointed content. So after the execution the source content, that is R register contents, equal to memory location content, that is data available in R register and data located in the memory are the same. The size of the instruction is 1 byte. Only one opcode you will find for this particular instruction. Addressing mode, definitely indirect or a register indirect addressing mode. Why? Because the specified register content or data available in the specified register get copied indirectly pointed by HL register pair. That's why the indirect or register indirect addressing mode, or in another word we can say that data indirectly get copied in the memory pointed by HL register pair or pointed by memory pointer M. There is no any flag bit modification after execution. So take one example, move M comma C. So in this instruction, the data 8-bit data which is available in C register get copied in the memory pointed by HL or memory pointer M. So suppose in HL register pair we are having 5015 hex, or in H register we are having 50 and L register 15 hex. So at location 5015, the data available in C register, suppose in C register we are having 1A hex, hexadecimal number 1A hex. Then after execution of this instruction move M comma C, the contents of C register, that is 1A hex, will be copied in the memory location pointed by HL register pair, that is 5015 hex. That is at location, at memory location 5015 hex, you will find 1A hex. See here. So before execution in C register we are having 1A hex, 1A hex, and in HL register pair we are having 5015. See here, in H 50, in L 15. So HL will point the memory location 5015 hex. Okay, and in the memory at this location 5015 hex 10, that is 10 hex is available. So this is the initial condition or before the execution of this move M comma C. Then after the execution of this move M comma C, the data available in C register, that is 1A hex, get copied in the memory pointed by HL register pair or memory pointer HL at location 5015 C register content get copied. That is, this 10 hex get overwritten or get modified with the new data or the C register data 1A hex. So after execution the C register content maintained as it is, that is 1A hex, and in the memory at location 5015 you will get 1A hex. So indirectly the memory pointed location get copied with the 8-bit data 1A hex, that is C register content at location 5015 hex. Next instruction, like the previous but reverse operation, move R comma M. Now in this case the data pointed by memory pointer M get copied in specified register, 8-bit register, any register, general purpose register. So mnemonic or algorithm for this move R comma M, data from memory to register or data HL pointed to specified register, and after the execution the source memory location content and destination register are same. The size of the instruction is also 1 byte. Addressing mode is the indirect addressing mode. There is a printing mistake in this particular slide. So addressing mode is the indirect, because indirectly the memory pointed content get copied in specified register. Flag bits are not modified after the execution. Like the previous example, suppose the HL register pair with 50 and 15hex, and at this location the data is available 10hex. So suppose after execution of the instruction move C, M, the content of memory location pointed by HL pair, that is 5015, are copied to the specified register, that is C register. So in this diagram we can able to see, like the previous example, before execution in C register we are having 1A hex, in HL register pair 5015 hex. And in the memory location, at location 5015 10hex is available. Then after the execution of the move instruction, the data pointed by HL, that is 5015, that is 10hex, get copied in C register, that is this 1A hex get overwritten with 10hex. So after execution, the destination register, that is C register, you will find the 10hex, and source content, that is memory location content 5015 hex, the same data, that is 10hex. Source memory location content and destination C register content are the same.